loss. So Kenya Airways, well, according to that, maybe not doing too well. But let's now look at the details and start off with the Standard, where the headlines is Exit 11. Enter Jubilee Party. And 11 parties fold in brief convention at Kasarani and Bomas. This, of course, started off yesterday. It's going to continue today. And like I mentioned earlier, it will culminate in Jubilee Party being born. Of course, there are those who've argued and said there is no new party. It is actually more of defections, including the president defecting from TNA one more time. Because it seems every time there's an election, he is on a new vehicle. But anyway, there you go. According to Jubilee Party, this is meant to help the country also reduce the issues of ethnicity. It is a party that is touted to show regionally, every region represented. But that, of course, remains to be seen. There are those political analysts who have said that may be possible. Others have said that is pure hogwash and there's nothing that is new in the Jubilee Party. Well, time will tell. Two things that have been promised both by Jubilee Party and the opposition is that they're going to make major announcements tomorrow. But according to the political analysts we've spoken to this week,